Alright guys, I want to quickly show you what I do before I publish a post or pages on my website. So this is exactly what I do before I publish a post or pages on my website. So the first thing I do is to make sure that the post title is in there. So as you can see, the post title is in here and it is readable. So I also want to make sure that the URL is in here and is correct. And the next thing I want to do is I want to make sure that the content is well structured and it is readable and it is engaging. So I also want to make sure that I add internal link to the post. So I want to make sure that I add internal link. As you can see right here, this internal link. So if you click on this area here, it's going to take you to another post or pages on my website. So these are two internal links that I add to the post. So when I scroll down here, I also want to add the keywords in here. So that's the keyword right there. So I don't want to insert the exact. So I don't want to enter this exact. If you like, you can enter. If you want to enter the exact on your own. So the next thing I want to make sure the next thing important here is the tag. So as you can see, I already add my tag there. So I have my tag there and my category in here. So I've choose my category, just one category and one tag, ready to go. So I also want to add image. So I've added my official image here and I've added one image inside on the within the content. So as you can see, I also want to make sure that the image is SEO friendly. So I want to click on it and you want to describe the image right there. So when you finish it, update in here, then you are ready to go. In a nutshell, that's what I do before I publish. Then when I finish, I want to scroll down and hit publish. So in a nutshell, that's all I do. So I make sure that the title is correct, the URL is correct, the content is well structured, the image is in there. I also want to add videos. Sometimes if you like, you can add videos or image. If you like, you can add video also on your content. So you want to make sure that the internal link is in there, internal link to other articles on your website. So then you want to add the keyword in there. So the keyword is in there, then the official image is in there, tag and the categories. You've added that, then when you finish, you want to scroll down and publish your post. That is it. And that is it, guys. So guys, that is my routine before I publish a post or pages on my website. So if you guys want to know what I do after I publish a post or pages on my website, you want to check my video out. I've made a video. So I've made a video that shows you what I do after I publish a post and pages on my website. So guys, that's all I have for you on this video. If you guys have any question, have anything to say about this video, just let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.